Hello everyone, good morning. So today we are going to Banerkota Zoological Park where we'll be going for a safari. And yes, I've booked the ticket online already, and even the parking ticket is available online. Let's go. तो आ गया बन्नेरगड्ढा बायोलॉजिकल पार्क. Oh, Kali Khali. Lot of parking space available due to weekdays and also due to Corona. Lot of people are not coming. So that's a good time for me to. So the parking charges are like 30 rupees for my bike, which I booked it online itself while booking the safari ticket. And yes, the safari I took was this AC safari, which costed around 600 rupees. In which everything is like included, like the combo for butterfly park and safari and the zoo. So this is the entrance. Let's get inside.
That's right, no? Same type. Cloakroom. Helmet. This is the token for AC bus safari, and this is the map. So I came to the park and I wanted to go for safari, but today's AC bus booking only few people have done. I think there is nobody who did for 11 o'clock. So they told me to go to Butterfly Park. So now I am on the way to Butterfly Park, and then at 12 o'clock the safari will start. So let's head on to Butterfly Park. this is the pupa chamber. This is like a museum for butterflies to know the anomaly, classifications, the evolution, and the taxonomy, survival, how they survived, and different types of moths, bugs, insects, and butterflies also mentioned here. Let's see. These are the original insects which are preserved very well. This is the Karnataka state butterfly. Such a beauty color, and they preserved it very well. Mantis.
ಆದರೆ ಇಂದು ವಾಯು ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯ ಹಾಗೂ ನಗರ ಸಂಕೀರ್ಣಗಳು
Mantis eggs, sir?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ
Butterfly.
ಸಂಕೀರ್ಣಗಳ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರಕವಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಸುಂದರ ಚಿಹ್ನೆಗಳು ಕೇವಲ ಚಿಹ್ನೆ ಸಂಗ್ರಹಾಲಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಉದ್ಯಾನವನಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಂದು ಸೀಮಿತವಾಗಿದೆ. ಗತಕಾಲದ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯ ಪ್ರಕಾರ
ಇದು larva?
ಚಿಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು
ರೂಪ.
ಆತ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಲಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಜೀವಿತಾವಧಿಯ ನಂತರ ಅವನ ಆತ್ಮವು ಚಿಟ್ಟೆಯ ಆಕಾರವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿಸದೆಂಬ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದ್ದು ಇದು ಸ್ವರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರುವುದೆಂದು ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದೆ.
That one
ಕಾಮನ್ ಪ್ರೋ
already నేను ఒకసారి పెంచేద్దాన్ని
ಈ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
కోల్డ్ it.
ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಆತ್ಮ ಎಂದಾಗಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಪಿಲ್ಲರ್ ಏನಾ?
ಹಾಂ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್
ಲದ್ದ ಪುರುಗು.
ಇವುಗಳ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಹಾರ ಒಂದು ಅವರ್ಣನೀಯ ಅನುಭವವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವರ್ಗವೇ ಕಡೆಗಿಳಿದಂತಿರುತ್ತದೆ.
So here comes the exit. There are not many butterflies actually, but still that's a peaceful place, no sound, nothing, and due to main reason is due to weekdays. Not much people are there, and it's very peaceful and very calm. If you want to have some peaceful time, just visit this butterfly park when weekdays. And as per their instructions, they told that 9 to 3 p.m. is the active time for butterflies. Means that time they will be much active, and the waterfall and all the scenic things are very nice inside. So let's go to the safari station. Let's see what they will tell now.